This is wild. Look how like short it looks because of the curls.
Come with me to get a hair scalp reset. I have been struggling with my hair and scalp lately with this hella dry weather, and I needed to go reset my scalp.
Okay, so we're gonna see how your scalp is. If it's oily, if it's dry. I just like to kind of erupt it a little bit, see if I see any pink coming up with me erupting it, any flakes. There are some flakes.
Where is it dry?
Everywhere.
This is where I had a blast. So she started off scrubbing my scalp. It was rough, okay? But it wasn't painful. It was exactly what I needed because my scalp had so much dryness in it and I needed a good cleanse. She did use the vinegar rinse scalp scrub as well as a vinegar rinse. This is where I knew that these products and reset was working because she was going in and I felt so relaxed. My scalp felt fresh. It was like amazing. I was borderline falling asleep. And I knew that I wanted some sort of conditioning treatment because, girl, I was dry.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Vicious presenting.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa.
Let's go.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath.
It's literally all about the technique. I'm showing you every single part because I don't have the technique that she has. And every time that I do my hair, 9 out of 10 times it comes out extremely frizzy. And I love that she was teaching me how to put my product in to where it's not frizzy. Mind you, I don't use cheap products. Like, I use high quality products. Doesn't necessarily mean they're expensive. They're just high quality. So I know that it's not the product. I know it's my technique. So she's showing me here. She's showing me how to use my hair dryer and also how to prevent that frizz.
Es que a ti te pienso tanto, no creo que solo sea amor. Por ti, baby, doy el mundo y la mitad en mi corazón. Baby, tú y yo, queriéndonos, sintiéndonos. Hazme el amor, y el que tanto dice tenerme. Hazme el amor, pa' que matemos la curiosidad.
If you're in the Bay Area, I 10 out of 10 recommend this. And I think the biggest takeaway is that if I decide to continue my wavy hair / curly hair journey, then I need to take my time. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.